Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do one automotive video, and I'm gonna talk about pros and cons versus half a bra. So if you cover your hood, if you protect it with half of the hood covered and the whole thing. So over here, I just want to show you, we have a beautiful VW wagon, and I'm just doing this for the demonstration purposes. I picked this vehicle. So if you look over here, this has been used already for a year or two. And if you look over here, the gentleman, he got the half of the hood covered with the clear bra. You see that line over here, and it goes like that. This is what I had on my BMW, and I have some experience, and I can tell you what you're going to be expecting. So this is the thing. Let's start with the pros and cons. So I'm going to go with the pros now, and look here. This side of the vehicle from here to here, so from here to here, will be protected nicely. So if you want that kind of the hood, if that's the area that it takes a lot of beating, this is a nice investment. And if you look over here, I cannot find even one tiny stone chip. So he's done fairly okay for what it is. Now here is the problem. Here is where the cons come in. The rocks that are gonna land right here are gonna bounce off right here. Now I don't see any damage over here because this is barely 1-year-old vehicle. Now what you guys need to know, that are getting an offer from the dealer, you're gonna only be able to protect the side that's covered. You see, there's a slightly decline over here. However, the rocks are gonna be bouncing off, landing here, and it will give you the stone chips right on this side. So I just wanted to do this video for you guys to lower your expectations if you want all your hood to be protected. Now this area over here is the one that's gonna also catch some stone chips. So to make it simple, if you want the entire front of the vehicle protected, you're gonna have to cover all this area. So from the fender to here into this film, hopefully the camera can pick up. If you're gonna be covering, so I believe the half a hood is about 300 here right now. So if you're gonna be covering half of the hood, some stone chips are gonna wind up on the half of the hood, and you're gonna be disappointed if you are expecting that kind of protection. So I wanted to give you a little video. What is it that you get with the half a hood being protected and other half being exposed? And I had this on my Beamer, so I found a vehicle that has a half a hood covered, so I can give you a honest overview. What do I think about it? Hopefully you found this useful. Before you spend your money, this is the advice that you guys need to know. If you really want that protection, go with everything. But if you're really concerned about this major part, this is gonna do it for you guys. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.